Hi guys, this is Cassie Darius. So today I'm going to install a wig for the first time, like on my own. Like normally I do it with other people and I do it for other people, but today I'm going to do it on my own. Unfortunately, the manufacturer, the wholesaler, the retailer, they did not include an invisible cap or any wig cap inside the wig that I bought. And guys, it's already okay. Okay, just a minute, I show you closely. I can only know about the name of the company if I go back to my AliExpress and check my orders. That's where the company name is. I don't know what is the name of this week. I don't know the retailer. I don't know the person who sold it to me. Like their packaging is so bad. Just hold on, let me show you. It just came like this, nothing else, no instructions, no key instructions or whatever. So there is the first one, the outer one. Then there was the one for packaging, the one that the couriers use. And we have it inside. It's pretty long. It's long, it's really long, and it's shedding in my hands. Like I haven't installed it, but anyways, this was something like $42. You know what? I'm not gonna do a review for them. I'm not going to say anything about it. It was $42. That's a lot of money for this, but I have to make it work because I traveled. I left Dubai and I did not bring even a needle. But I'm loving the texture. It's synthetic, really like I can feel that. Really plastic. But anyways, so I have to work with that. This is it. It is some broad, big baby hairs and the net, and this is how it looks inside. There's a clip in the back, two clips in the front, so I have to make this work. So okay, just hang on, we will start with the lines. So after that, I purchased the wig separately. I realized I needed some bonding glue. Perfect. This company was the best. It was quick delivery, like very fast, and the packaging was okay. I don't know why, maybe that's how they do it over here. This is the less glue, and this is the remover. I needed the remover. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I don't have the wig cap, but the show has to go on. So I'm going to trim the excess less, and after making my lines, then I'll apply it first so that the glue doesn't sit directly on my hair. I don't know, that's what I'm gonna do. I have to do that. Okay, I also have Got to Be Glued, the spray. It's gonna help us. I'm looking forward to that. I guess the edges, because the edges are so long, I think they need like to be held down like with something very strong. So guys, just wait, let me just do the lines. So this is how it looks like. Okay, this is done. Lines are done. I hope you can see that. So the extra less is the one I'm going to use. It's the makeup. Oh my god. If you are a retailer, if you're a wholesaler, or anyone who does wigs, please just make it as a complimentary. Funny thing is, I checked on Amazon. It's less than like some cents a wig cap. Just do it as a complimentary and add it on the wig, whatever price. Then you can just ship it to somebody. So I have to wait for some days for me before I can get that. And I can't do that right now. So I have to work with what I Hi. So apparently this I didn't have a wig, whatever belt to hold it down. So hi, and then like I'm poor, like I don't have anything right now. This is my morning gown. Belts, I don't know. So I don't know. It's giving headache. I'm getting a headache. But I I'm sure for tomorrow I can show up at work. Looking a bit different. Okay, I can still do. Okay. It's not bad. It's not bad. Okay, so guys, oh my god, I have tried my best. Like I have tried everything I can. So I'm just waiting to see. Actually, I don't know how many minutes I have to keep it down. I haven't like did a timing for that, but when I'm doing for someone, I can do like maybe 10 minutes to 15. Yeah. So the issue is I'm struggling to dry these parts over here. So I'm struggling to dry. I don't know, is it because of I don't have the wig cap or what? Wow. Okay, so far this is it. I think I'm loving it, and the fact that it's showing kind of some, you know, that yaki feel, that yaki afro texture that is coming with the hair. Or see what I'm talking about. Okay, so if something like this happens, it sticks like this, it's okay. You can just clean it afterwards. So guys, this is it. There is a possibility if you want to do some baby hairs, you can. Automatically it comes with some baby hairs. But for me today, I'm not doing baby hairs. Like I react a lot to things that comes to my face, and already knowing that this wig is here, I'm going to have some irritation and some acne, so I'm not going to do that. But maybe another time, next time when I'm doing something, we'll just, for now, I'll just keep it together with the hair. I'm not going to cut them off. I'm just going to keep them. I think I need a little bit of my foundation here. You know how this lace was white, like was really. So I'm going to add a little bit of my foundation. I think I'm happy. I'm happy with what I got. I'm happy. I'm happy with how I got. I'm happy. It's pretty long weave and so bulky. Just going to try and keep it simple. Okay, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and please, if you're new here, please subscribe and do watch all my videos until the end. Like guys, watch all the videos. Just go and watch. You can learn one or two things. So I think if you want to order a wig that you need to install from the front with a frontal, this is how you do it. It's very easy, and I think it's possible to install a wig without a wig cap. I have done that. I was thinking it's going to be messed up, but no, I'm loving the length also. But I don't know, guys. I always tell my clients that if I put, like, we install a wig, you have to keep on the wig band at all times, especially when you're at home and you're doing other things. Just keep it on, like, to keep it down. Anyways, let's close this chapter. So I failed to cut the wig to go behind my ears. I'll try that next time. If you haven't watched that, please rewatch this video and please subscribe until my next video. Bye.